Okay, children, continuing with lesson number 10 for 6th maths, exercise 10.3, question number 10, 11, 12, last three to be discussed. Question number 10, split figures into rectangles and find the areas. Okay, now here what you see with the blue lines in the shape is the extended rectangles. They had made full according to the measurement given, right? Now, how these rectangles to be formed, I will explain you. First of all, in your textbook on page 219, you can check it out how they had given the figures, right? Okay. Now, you know that in rectangles, length on opposite length should be of same measure and breadth and opposite breadth should be of same measure. But here it is given 4 and here it is 3. So now what we will do, we will extend this rectangle. 3 is there, we need 4. So how many more you will add? 1. So 1 centimeter I had added with 3 to make this rectangle on both the lengths of same measure. So now this is 4, I added 3 plus 1 and now this rectangle's length also has become 4 centimeter. Same way here breadth is 3 centimeter and here they are given 2. So how many more I will add to make it 3 plus 1. So the breadth of this rectangle now are opposites and the sides are the same of 3 centimeter. So now rectangle A, the area of rectangle A is 4, length is equal to 4 centimeter and breadth is equal to 3 centimeter. So the answer is 12 square centimeter. In the same way you can see this rectangle B. Now here this length is given 4 centimeter. Right? Now to complete this A rectangle I had added here 1 centimeter. So this and this breadth are now same. You can check it out of 1 centimeter. So but obviously if this one length is 4 centimeter, what will be the length of the opposite side of this B rectangle? 4 centimeter. So again find out the area of rectangle B is 4 square centimeter. Now coming on to rectangle C. Now as we had extended here 1 centimeter, right? Now what will be the length? It cannot be 4 centimeter. Why? Because the length of this C rectangle, you can check it out, has been extended to 4 plus 1. How many? 5 centimeters. We cannot forget this 1 centimeter what we had added in the breadth, right, of A rectangle. So this one will be the length. Now it will be the length for rectangle C. So 4 plus 1 makes 5. Here for rectangle C 3 centimeter is already given. So now if one length of rectangle C is 5 centimeter, what should be the length of opposite length of rectangle C? But obvious 5 centimeter. So here 3 already is given. So how many more I have to add to make my C rectangle with length 5 centimeter plus 2. So 3 plus 2 makes 5 centimeter. And breadth are given already same 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter. So now for rectangle C the length will be 5 centimeter and breadth will be 2 centimeter. So answer is 10 square centimeter. And rectangle D. Now this already with the figure what you see with white line is 3 centimeter. This 2 centimeter we had extended. So this D rectangle length is 2 centimeter. This will be same 2 centimeter. Breadth already given 1 centimeter. So this opposite side will also be 1 centimeter. So area will be of rectangle D, 2 ones are 2. So 2 square centimeter. Now we want the total area of rectangle A, B, C, D. So add together your answer is 28 square centimeter area. In the same way figure number B. You can check it out. This figure is given. White line what you see is already given in the textbook in question number 10. Now here also I had given 3 rectangles A, B, C names, right? Now if here is 3, can it be 2? No. So how many more you will add to make it 2 or 3? It will be 2 plus 1, 3. So I had extended this 1 centimeter. You can see a blue line which I had extended to make the lengths of A rectangle same. So now this is 3, right? Now if this is 3, what about this breadth? If here is 1, this should also be 1. So now area of rectangle L into B, rectangle A area is 3 into 1, 3 square centimeter. Now about rectangle C, first I will come on to C to make it more clear. Now here, if rectangle C, this is again 2 centimeter, right? So it cannot be, and this whole rectangle is of length 3 centimeter. So can it be possible? No, it is not. So 2, so I had extended again this rectangle from the inner side till 1 centimeter to make the lengths of same size, right? So now 2 plus 1, so this is already 3 centimeter, right? Actually I should have to make it note here. Here I have written 2 plus 1, so now this is 3 centimeter. So now this also, of both the sides the lengths are of same by extending this rectangle with 1 centimeter more, and breadth already given here is 1. So what about this breadth? It should be 1 centimeter, right? So rectangle C area will be 3 into 1, 3 square centimeter. But now you come on to rectangle B. Here length of rectangle B, this is the only portion for rectangle B, right? Breadth and breadth are same, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. But what about the length? This is 3 centimeter and this is 5 centimeter. Will it work? No. So from 5, as this 1 and 1 has been allotted to rectangle A and rectangle C, 5 you have to subtract from 5 minus 1 and minus 1 2 times, because 1 and 1 we had given to rectangle A and rectangle C. So 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. So now the real length of this rectangle B is 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter. So rectangle B area will be 3 into 1 again, 3 centimeter square. So add all the 3 rectangles together to get total area, and it is 9 square centimeter. Coming on to question number 11, this will be the same method. Now here you can check that given L shape. If this is 12, it will work with 10 on the opposite side of that, the length? No. If this is length of 12 centimeter, this should also be a length of 12 centimeter. So now what we have to do, this is 10. So how many more you will add to make it 12? 10 plus 2. 12. So now both the sides the length is same. Here it is 2. So what about this much portion? It should also be same. Breadth and breadth should be same. So if this is 2 centimeter, this also should be 2 centimeter. So now this is 12, this is 12. This whole rectangle A, what you can see, right? So area of rectangle A is 12 into 12 is length. So L into B. 12 into 2, 24 square centimeter. Now coming on to rectangle B. If this whole rectangle is 10 centimeter, right? But this is only 8 centimeter. But out of this 10, right? This 2 had been already allotted to rectangle A. So now if this is 8, this should not be 10. It should be 8. So what you will do? Now you have to make somewhat less from 10 to make it 8. Right? So 10 minus 2 is equal to 8. Now this length and this length become same. 8 centimeter, 8 centimeter, and breadth is 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter. So L into B, 8 into 2, 16 centimeter. Find out the total area by adding both the rectangles A and B. So answer is 40 square centimeter. Coming on to B. Now here you can see they had given squares, right? And they all are of same size, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7 centimeter. But the drawn rectangles are given 4, A, B, C, D. But what about in between? So this we had made to make it 5, right? So now total how many are there? 5 rectangles with the same size, that is 7. In rectangle the formula you know, L into B. How many rectangles we had formed? 1, 2, 3, 4 and this one 5. So 5 rectangles are given, right? Length is 7 centimeter, breadth also is 7 centimeter. When you multiply all the 3 together, your answer is 245 square centimeter. Question number C of question 11 is your homework. And coming on to the last sum, question number 12A, B will be your homework. Now Question number 12, I just go with the sum. How many tiles whose length and breadth are 12 cm and 5 cm respectively? So, tiles are in a rectangular shape where L and B is given, and how many will be required to fit in a rectangular region or rectangular floor whose length and breadth are given in A. I guess so. Rectangular floor or region is of length 100 cm and breadth is of 144 cm. Now, when I already had explained, when you need to fix the tiles, we use the inner portion or surface of the floor. So, we will go with the area. But how many tiles we require? We need to find out the area of both floors as well as tiles. So, area of rectangular room L into B 100 into 144 cm. So, 14,400 square centimeters. Same way with the rectangular tiles area. 12 cm into 5 cm, that is 60 square centimeter. How many number of tiles will be required? So, the area whichever is bigger will go in the numerator. That is, area of rectangular region or room is bigger, so it will go in the numerator. Area of rectangular tiles is less than it, so it will go in the denominator. When you divide with a common table, answer is how many number of tiles will be required to fix in the rectangular region? 240 tiles. I hope this is clear to you. Question 12, sum number B will be your homework, and this completes our lesson number 10, mensuration. Thank you.